Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In this video, I'll cover the topic remainder theorem in polynomials. So before starting remainder theorem in polynomials, I will tell you a division of two numbers because it is similar to that. So here I have taken two numbers 17 and 8. You can take any other number and you can check it. So here in 17 and 8, if you are dividing 17 by 8, what you will get? You will get quotient 2 and remainder 1. So how you can write it? You can write it, you can multiply 8 by 2 and then that product you can add with this remainder. So I have written in that form 17 equals to 8 into 2 plus 1. Similarly, I have taken another two numbers 18 and 6. So if you are dividing 18 by 6, 6 threes are 18 and then getting remainder 0. So that also you can write in that form. In both cases, we have seen that remainder is less than divisor. This you have to remember and this always be truth. So this you have to remember because we are using this in polynomials expressions when we are dividing these two expressions, polynomial expressions. So just like two numbers, can we divide one polynomial by another one? Yes, definitely we can divide. So how we can divide? First, we will take some definition here, then we'll go ahead for division. So the remainder theorem begins with polynomial, say px. Okay, we suppose that any polynomial px, and then this is dividing by a factor, linear factor or linear expression x minus a. So this is divisor, this is dividend, and then this is the quotient. Quotient, we suppose this is quotient polynomial is qx and this is remainder polynomial, right? Rx. So in that form, in same form how we did here, 18 means what the dividend we are writing here. This was the dividend here, right? So dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same thing we have written here, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? So in that form. So here, if you are going with long division method, you are dividing one polynomial by another. So we have to follow these steps. If you have learned these steps, if you will follow these steps, it's very simple, like two numbers division. Okay. So first step is arrange the polynomials dividend and divisor both in decreasing order of its degree. What does that mean? Sometimes it's written, sometimes you see that any polynomial is written in that form. Okay, so you have to arrange it in decreasing order of its degree. So highest degree is this. So decreasing order means highest to lowest. So we have to write in that form, right? So first step is this. Second step, divide the first term of dividend. Suppose you are dividing by this. So this is the divisor and this is the dividend. This whole is this whole. This is the dividend. So you have to learn these keywords also. So it will be easy to learn these steps. Dividend, first term of dividend, what is that? 5x square. You have to divide this by the first term of the divisor. By the first term of the divisor, by x. For what? To produce the first term of the quotient. So quotient will also come in the form of polynomial expression, that is qx, right? So to find first term of this. So if you are dividing it, what you will get? 5x, right? Oh, sorry, it is a cube, so 5x square. So this is the quotient, first term of quotient. Now you have to follow these steps and we will follow these steps here you can do one thing. You can write these steps in your notebook, and then you can go ahead with with next slide. So it will be easy for you. You will read these steps along with me, and you can understand. So I'm going here to make it possible, these steps. Remainder theorem. Let us consider remainder theorem of polynomial with the example of given below. Here, dividend equals to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x. I have written in that form here, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, right? And divisor equals to x plus 1. I have written like simple division method. Now what to do? First step we have to follow. So hints are here. First step is this. This is first time, so I have written in that form hint, but in next question, when I will tell you some problem related to it, I won't write this hint, I will do it directly. So first hint is this. First step of dividend, what is that? 3x cube will be divided by first step of divisor, which is x. So what you will get? You will get the quotient. First step of quotient. This is first step of quotient. Okay, so this is 3x square. You have to write here. Now, first step of quotient will be multiplied by the first step of divisor. That we have done to subtract this. Okay, so here 3x square into x plus 1 equals to 3x cube plus 3x square. So we have to write here, and like simple division method, like we divide two numbers, we subtract this, right? So for subtraction, we have to put it in the bracket to make it clear. Now, if you are multiplying with this minus sign, the whole expression signs will be changed. So here it will be minus 3x cube, and here it will be minus 3x square. So this will be cancelled, and here x square minus 3x square will become minus 2x square. That is here. Again, you have to repeat this method, what we have done here. Now, you have to pull down the next term, because here in divisor, there are two terms. Here also it should be two terms, minimum two terms. So, we have pulled it down 2x here plus 2x, and with sign you have to pull it down. If it is minus 2x here, you have to pull it down with minus sign, right? So now again we will follow same step. The dividend is this, and we are dividing this by this. Look at here, this is the repeating. From here we are repeating steps. Okay, this is second step and this is third step. So from here again we are repeating. So repetition, 2x square upon x, we will get minus 2x. So minus 2x is the quotient second term. Okay, so we have written here minus 2x, and then this will be divided by the divisor. This is the divisor. So minus 2x square minus 2x we got. So minus 2x square minus 2x within a bracket, and then we will put minus sign. Again, this will convert the sign. So it will become plus, and it will become plus after multiplying with this. Okay. So here this will be cancelled and this will be added. 2x plus 2x will be 4x. Now again you have to pull down this by here. Then steps will be repeated. What will be repeated? 4x upon x. So what I have done here, 4x upon x, we got 4. So we have to multiply this 4 by this divisor, and 4x plus 4 we got. Then we have to put it in the place of subtraction. So 4x plus 4 within a bracket and minus. So it will become minus 4x and minus 4. So plus 4x minus 4x will be cut down, and 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now here you see this thing, what I told you here in this portion, remainder will be lesser than the division. So here if we see, this remainder is lesser than the division, means degree. Here what we will check? We will check degree of the x, right? Degree of the variable. So here degree is 1, divisor's degree is 1, and here degree is 0, right? So that means you have to divide till you get the remainder is lesser than the 0, than the divisor. So here the quotient equals to 3x square plus minus 2x plus 4, and the remainder is 1. So this is the long division method to solve the polynomial equation. Now I will go with exercise 4.3, but you will see this in next video. So keep watching my next video, and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get updates, right? Till then, bye bye, have fun.